Since Donald Trump took office, XRP's price has went up 334%. As if that's not crazy enough, many people predicting that once Trump actually gets into office, we could see another burst upwards, especially for US based crypto companies. And there's no bigger company in the United States than Ripple, and we've witnessed a 5x. I talked about that 334%. That was a 5x that happened in a little over a month for XRP, just on the news alone that Donald Trump was getting reelected as the president of the United States. Of course, Bitcoin went on a massive run. The entire market did, right? People are excited about the next 4 years because we have a pro crypto president coming in. And when we talk about Ripple, and of course, XRP tied to the largest US based company that handles crypto, that deals with blockchain, things are looking very bright because this signals to a lot of people the end of the lawsuit is near. Keep in mind, this lawsuit kept XRP out of the last bull market. Yeah, it went up a little bit in 2021, but nowhere near where it could have went if we didn't have people like Gary Gensler in place and Joe Biden, who did not want to see XRP do well, did not want to see crypto do well. They wanted to push it down. They wanted to, keep it down as much as they could. Although 2021 was massive, I think 2025 could be even bigger because we have everything in place and we're finally going to have regulation in place in the United States. How quickly it gets done, nobody really knows, but we know it's coming. It certainly won't be the first issue at hand for Trump when he gets in, but we know we have a guy in David Sachs now who's been appointed by Trump to handle crypto, to handle AI. We know we have a new SEC chair, Paul Atkins, who has worked under the Trump administration the first go around, who's also served in this role before as SEC chair, and he's very pro crypto. Now, we also have the CFTC chair. He's out. We don't know who the new one will be, but we think that that person coming in will also be pro crypto. We have a pro crypto Congress, pro crypto House of Representatives. And that's partly the reason why this chart looks like this when we look at XRP. Massive gains, 334% moves since November 7th. We are sitting at $2.41 right now. And if you guys were all over this, you had XT Algo. If you guys were XT Algo members, you're enjoying a 334% gain. So if you're not a member yet, get on board, get ready, because the crypto market will go nuts. It will go insane. And you want to know when the best opportunities to get in and get out, you need a trading indicator like this. It's the best one on the market for the price. It works. It's easy to use. I walk you through how to use it. 21% off coupon code when you use X at checkout. That link is down below in the description. 30-day money back guarantee as well. And you could basically try it risk-free today. Now, I want to get at this. What will happen to XRP's price after Trump? Because he's not even in yet. Like, what do we expect when a new SEC deal is made and Ripple lawsuit is over? These are some big questions, and this article gets added a little bit. Wanted to kind of highlight what they said and then also offer some of my opinions, and curious to hear your guys' thoughts down below in the comment section too. By the way, if you haven't hit the like button, definitely do that. Subscribe down below. We're here every single day for you guys, grinding, putting videos out. So it says here, the new year brings renewed hope for XRP, and really ever since Trump got in, right? I mean, everybody's talking about it. The market skyrocketed. XRP skyrocketed. The long-running lawsuit launched by the SEC back in December 2020 accused Ripple of violating securities laws through the sale of XRP to institutional investors. Now, we know that XRP is not a security on the retail side. That has already been, found. Judge Torres ruled last year XRP was not a security. It was back in July. But the SEC appealed the decision, leaving the case still in limbo. But now, with a new SEC chair coming in, we think this case could be fast-tracked and could be done sooner rather than later. If the SEC appeal is denied for the new SEC administration, opts for a settlement instead, that would be a big win for for Ripple. This is coming from Carlos Guzman, research analyst at GSR. The cryptocurrency industry is pinning its hopes on President Trump incoming administration for regulatory relief and really just any guidelines or guardrails, right? We don't have any of that set up yet here in the United States. Trump takes office January 20th, guys, 9 days away. And Paul Atkins coming in as the new SEC chair at the same time. A positive regulatory outcome for Ripple could position XRP among a select group of digital assets eligible for ETFs. A ton of those have already been filed, 4 to be exact. Bloomberg ETF expert Eric Balchunas, who called the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF very early on, predicts a surge in new crypto ETFs under new management, citing the record success of Bitcoin's ETF as a benchmark. Balchunas said XRP should be among the first to receive approval, but warned that even with a positive regulatory outcome, crypto ETFs still face lengthy approval processes. They still have to go through the ringer, right? Beyond its legal challenges, Ripple's looking toward a promising future with the growing adoption of the new stablecoin, RLUSD. The company aims to strengthen its narrative as a legitimate payment solution, which Guzman believes could further strengthen XRP position. Additionally, the resurgence of retail interest during the recent crypto rally has reignited investor enthusiasm for XRP. And we have seen a lot of people come back to the markets, a lot of people out of their positions, still a lot of people on the sidelines, though. So what could happen to the price of XRP? And this is hypothetical, right? I mean, we're just, playing the prediction markets here. And what I like to do is go over to a website called the Coin Perspective. This gives us a good breakdown in terms of what we could see. So if XRP, let's just set a custom price in here of $10. That would put XRP's market cap right around 575 billion. That would be taking us to $10. That's still an upside of about 315%. I could see us hitting this $10 target this cycle, right? With everything that's aligning, Trump coming in and all of the positive catalyst here, there's no reason why XRP can't be one of the biggest gainers. Again, it's the biggest US-based crypto company. And I'm going to be watching closely what Trump does. How is he going to incentivize US-based investors to invest in US companies? Is there going to be some kind of tax break, right? If you invest in a US-based company, you're only taxed X amount versus if it's outside the United States, you get taxed way more. I think he's going to put some kind of parameters around this that will benefit XRP because it's a US-based company, right? And I'm looking at other US-based companies too, like, XLM and HBAR and a lot of these ISO plays I find interesting. Chainlink, there's a lot to like about the US companies right now. A lot of them are down, significantly down from their all-time highs still. So we are not in a full-fledged bull cycle yet. We have not seen a full-fledged altcoin season. Even though XRP is down a 5x in a short amount of time, I still think there's a ton of upside. And I'm still giving my price target of $10. I was giving this target when we were at 50 cents. And we were buying XRP like crazy at 50 cents. If you guys have been watching my channel for at least 2+ years, you would know we've been talking about XRP since it was 50 cents. Now it's 5x from there. And I still think there's a lot of room for it to grow. Who knows, though? We'll see. I want to hear your guys' thoughts down below in the comment section. Curious to hear your guys' predictions as well. And we will see you guys in the next video.